Hello everyone, this is Bottom Up, a practice problem from week 4. At first glance, it seemed to be very complicated. I thought I couldn't do it, but I took a closer look and I realized it was quite simple. I just had to pay attention. Basically, we have an image and it's upside down. We have to make the right side up of the image. So here is the key. We have to take a look at bitmap file header and bitmap info header struct and use the information we find here to change a little bit of code in bottom up.c. It is very important though to read this documentation here. So let's see what we have in the code. So when we open the code, we find this, and it can be a little scary at first glance, but let's see what we have in this folder. We have bmp.h, bottomup.c, and Harvard bottomup.bmp. That's the image we have to make it right. This image here. At first we had this image here, upside down, but when we compile our code and we run it, we create another image that should be the right side up, but it isn't because we didn't change anything in our code. You remember that they emphasized that we had to take a good look at bmp.h, especially in the bitmap info header structure. Here, the most important thing that we have to notice is bit width and bit height. So now we go to the documentation and we have here bitmap info header structure, and here we have bit height, and we have this information here. If bit height is negative, the bitmap is top down. If bit height is positive, bitmap is bottom up. So this is the value we have to change. Now it's negative because our image is upside down, is top down. So we have to change this value to be positive. And how do we do it? We multiply it by -1. So when we take a look in our code, we have read infiles bitmap file header, and we have written our files bitmap file header. So we have to change the value of bit height before it is written here. So that's why we have to change the value of bit height. So how do we change bit height? We know that it is stored in bitmap info header, and bitmap info header is called by bi, so we have to write bi dot height equals to b dot b height, and now we multiply it by -1 to make it positive. And that's all we had to do so far. We compile our code, we run it, and we check if the image has changed, and it has. It is the right side up, so we fixed the bug. Let's check. So everything is working fine, problem solved. Please tell me in the comments if you had an idea on how you were trying to solve this problem before and you realized how simple it was. Comment down below if you want me to do more videos like that. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I see you guys next time.